Living and non-living things. Living things: bird, butterfly, fish, plant, elephant. Plants are also living things. Sunflower, touch me not, morning glory. Non-living things: balloons, picnic table, basket, toy car, bench, toy bear. Living things: things that can breathe, eat, grow, move, have feelings, reproduce and die are called living things. Living things: bird, butterfly, elephant, fish, human being, plant. Things that cannot breathe, eat, grow, move one place to another, reproduce and die that called non-living things. Non-living things: fan, car, sofa, books, television, chair. Non-living things: balloons, bench, picnic table, toy, basket, toy car. Plants are living things. Living things move on their own. Plants are living things, they do not move like animals and human beings, but leaves and flowers move. Flowers generally grow in the direction of the sun. The petals of morning glory open each morning and closed as sun sets in the evening. Similarly, the leaves of touch me not plant closed as soon as touch. Living things can move. Human beings move using their legs. Animals also move use their legs. Animals without legs can crawl, swim in the water. Plants also can show movement. Like sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things grow. Baby, girl, woman, calf, cow, seed, plant, tree. Living things need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things need food and water. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its own kind. A woman gives birth to a baby. An elephant gives birth to a baby elephant.